Hi, welcome to Ben's Kitchen. I have no
Time to
idea
make breakfast.
I have no idea what's in this bag. So, we've got, well, here's like some Hostess cupcakes.
We got some
Very good.
seaweed.
Yeah, good seaweed.
We got some wasabi paste. You put it on your butt and you rub it in.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's a good natural like oil.
Now we got some Kit Kats for when you're sick.
Okay, so David,
Okay,
David,
so-
could you give me like a plate?
A plate.
Eat the bowl. I asked for a plate. Anyways, David, I got this.
Oh, yeah.
So yeah, you don't want to get all the air just to like moist Vegemite flavor. David, you gotta just wash your hands in the Sprite before. You don't want dirty hands while cooking. You feel dirty?
You gotta rub your arms.
Yeah, you gotta rub them.
Lubricate them. Come on. Get my other one. Come on. Oh, thank you.
Okay, now that your hands are all nice and washed.
No, I lubricated, yeah.
You don't want to start with your cupcakes.
I'll open them then. We'll do them at a time.
Yeah, you want to just put these in here.
Since your hands are so lubricated, you might want to get your big spoon too. If you don't have one of these, you should go into the store and get one. This is very
It's an essential item.
it should look like something like this.
Yeah. See, you really just want a nice like,
You kind of want a texture,
like really bad diarrhea consistency.
Yeah. Kind of like what you had
like
yesterday.
some chunks, but it's like kind of mostly just liquid.
Yeah, you know. It's like Bernie Sanders. Alright, so what's next, Ben?
So next up, we can add our wasabi. Okay. This smells so bad.
Put it down.
Oh, dude, stop.
I don't want to.
You have to.
There's so much.
Not just.
Oh man,
God.
oh, it's on my sock. What's in that? Oh, pancake mix.
Yeah.
Oh, your hands are moist. Oh, it's like poop colored.
Look at that.
Oh.
Looks like freaking like that spicy mustard.
Oh my god.
Why did we make this? I don't want to eat this.
She's moistened. My eyes are burning. They're burning. I'm gonna cry.
Legit.
I can feel the spiciness. You're so bad at Friend, what color of lip gloss do you want? I'm gonna take the Now I'm gonna do bottom pink, top blue.
Do I like hot?
Puck her up. Now dry your legs, babe. Dry them. Open up. Puck her up, babe.
Liam, I need David, I'll do
Stop. Puck her up. Now open your mouth. Jeez, you're breathing so heavily.
Sorry, ma'am.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna make it a bite. I'm gonna get some seaweed.
August, do you think the seaweed would burn on the cast iron?
Oh, sorry, is it the breakfast good?
Oh, bro, I can't wait.
Dude, try it.
Is that the Kit Kat?
That's just all
I see pieces of
Oh.
wasabi in it.
Oh, dude.
Oh no! I can't eat it.
Did you enjoy your breakfast? He puked.
Kill me, please.
Oh, you want more?